good evening, good afternoon, students and traders. Sound check. Okay, very good. Welcome everybody, this is Forex Trading Course 101. My name is Michael, the so-called FXFreedom. Remember, trading is a learnable skill. When we learn in the correct way the three pillars, pillar number one is the market, pillar number two is the strategy, and the big one, pillar number three, is the trader. You can follow us on YouTube, youtube.com/c/FXFreedomFX. And today we are starting the Forex Trading Week Part 1, right? It should be day 1, but still okay. Remember everybody, you are going to graduate from this course when number 1 you have your chart set up and ready for trading, number 2 you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose, number 3 you have a complete understanding on how this market works so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Long or short for the day, long or short for the week, everybody. Also remember, 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide, and these streams are absolutely no trading or investment advice, especially in the Forex Trading Week, where we are trying to implement what we have learned so far in the live market, and we finished crowns. Type in the chat everybody, did you make any pips with GBP CAD, everybody? We talked about this crown. Did you make any pips and money on the demo account first with GBP CAD? Type in the chat, yes I traded GBP CAD, or type in the chat, no I didn't trade. Anyways everybody, type in the chat the currency pairs that you want to trade, or maybe you are already in a trade and it doesn't make any sense to you. Okay, and type in the chat currency pair, type in the chat time frame, and type in the chat what is the idea, long or short. Hello Allah, how are you? I'm going to type in the chat everybody, okay? Type in the chat, number 1 currency pair, number 2 time frame, and number 3 buy or sell. What is your idea? Okay everybody, first comes first is served. Remember, I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Most likely when you type something it's going to take 20 seconds before I can see it. Okay, first come first is served. We talked about GBP CAD, right? And we talked about crowns. This was the crown. Okay, so far it worked. Crowns are great. Yes, you can trade them as patterns. Okay, in the meantime, let's go step by step. We're going to go on AUD CAD, which is the first one. Okay everybody, and don't forget, we are trying to implement what we have learned so far tonight everybody, Tuesday tonight. So we had the news out of the United States. Tonight we have, it's going to be 9:30 my time, Brazil. Okay, 9:30, this is going to be 1:30 a.m. Europe or 2:30 a.m. Europe. This is going to be 7:30 p.m. USA. You have AUD news here. Okay, to pay attention. It doesn't matter scalper, day trader, swing trader. 4 a.m. Brazilian time, we have GBP, yearly consumer price index. Scalpers, day traders, swing traders, something to pay attention. 10:30 tomorrow we have Canada. Okay, it's yearly price index, so also something to then we have 10:30 USA monthly news. And then the big one for this week, not then it's more or less, but 9:30 Brazilian time we have the employment rate for Australia. Okay, talking about to implement what we have learned so far. Hedge fund trader Allah, what currency pair do you want to check? So one more time everybody, you can type in the chat a currency pair that you want to trade, or you might put in the chat a trade that you are in, but it's going against you, make sense? So we can check the probabilities. And remember, what we are trying to implement this week is the knowledge of crowns. Okay? This trading week we are going to use multiple time frames. We are going to use Fibonacci's. We are going to use crowns. We learned crowns lately. We are going to use news trading and candlestick formations, pivot points, support, resistance, trend lines, all of this. Okay everybody, so let's make a pool. AUD daily chart. Let's make a pool. Long or short? This is what you see right now everybody. AUD long or short? And remember, tomorrow and tonight we have the news, right? We need to take in consideration the news events. Don't be shy everybody, there is no right or wrong, make sense? Hedge fund trader Allah, how are we going to make pips and money out of USD daily chart? No, it doesn't need to be daily. You can choose any time frame, 15-minute chart to daily, 4 hour, 2 hour, 15 minutes. USDJPY short 1 hour, very good. So let's check USDJPY. Allah, where is your stop loss? Where is your take profit? Allah is shorting USDJPY everybody. USDJPY, clone chart, USDJPY, 4 hour chart. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. And Allah is shorting, right? 1 hour chart, very good. Where is your take profit? Where is your stop loss? Where is your entry? USDJPY 1 hour chart. So far, market wave. We learned about the market wave, everybody. So far, market wave. Down extension, down retracement. Oh, it's up. No, it's not. It's a down retracement because it's a down market wave. And down market wave, down extension, retracement. Everybody. So far, this is the market. And talking about the short-term trend, lower low, lower high, lower low so far on USDJPY 1 hour chart. Okay everybody, let's make a poll. Do you want to go long or short on USDJPY? Entry, shorting the market. The best entry, we've learned all of this everybody, was higher highs, higher lows. So it was in here. And again, looks like the propaganda guy, it's all every day, also just during our session, right? They're coming again, you know. Hear them? Propaganda guy again, moving through the city. They are selling apples, which is okay. Okay everybody, where is the stop loss, where is the take profit? This is the trend line, right? Maybe not. So down we have the low and we need to go on the 15-minute chart to see what happened. Give me a second everybody. Give me a second. Sorry about the noise. And Forex doesn't allow me to stretch, right? Okay, let's start from somewhere in here, everybody. Somewhere in here, everybody. Give me a second and go back to the 1 hour chart. Ala, where did you enter, Ala? Everybody, this trend line, it's not correct, alright, but it's from the 15-minute chart, because otherwise from the 1 hour it should be like this. Okay, we should not break tails or bodies of the candles. Come on, Apple guy, move away from my window, please. I need to go. No, I'm not going to yell at him. He's making his living, everybody. I'm not going to yell at him. Makes sense? Anybody else, everybody? How to trade long, short, everything? Sound check. Can you hear me? Somebody says no volume. Sound check, everybody. Sound check, everybody. Sound check. Can you hear me? Sound check. OBS working back. Ala says 139.50. It's gone. 139.50 is the stop loss, Ala. Everybody, would you be so kind and type in the chat if you can hear my voice and see my screen? Sound check, everybody, sound check. Can you see my screen and hear my voice? OBS looks like working. Okay, now Ala say, okay, very good. Let's move forward. Okay, 1390, is this your stop loss? Okay, Ala, what pattern are you trading? So edit coordinates 139.50. This is Ala stop loss. Ala, what pattern are you trading? Ah, entry. Okay, very good. Entry. Excellent. Entry. Where is your stop loss, Ala? So this is the entry. Entry. Where is the stop loss? Where is the stop loss and where is the take profit? Everybody, what would say? So, ally shorting the market, is this a good trade, bad trade, more or less trade? What would you say? Shorting the market, and this is the entry. Great entry, by the way. Ala, great entry, congratulations to you. So, you've entered after the counter trendline break. Correct me if I'm wrong. Stop loss 1, so let's clone this one up and red edit coordinates 140.50 is the stop loss. So you are trading most likely the short-term downtrend, is this correct, Ala? And if you are, your stop loss should go up in here. Okay, not down here, everybody, a few pips above this. Okay, so if this is the high of the downtrend that you are trading, so put your stop loss a few pips above, make sense? 130, wow, 130. So clone and the take profit is 130, wow. Take profit at coordinates 130.000, okay? Everybody, we're on the 4-hour chart. We're going to change to the 4-hour. And we're going to delete this and this and this and this and this and this. Okay? And we're going to move on the daily. Okay, we learned about this. Tell me, everybody, how is this? So Ala entered. Now what is the probability of his trade being a success? Is this a high probability trade? Ala, the same question to you. Is this a high probability trade or is this a low probability trade, and why? This is the most important question when we are applying what we have learned so far in the live markets, everybody. Is my trade high probability or low? Meaning, what is the probability of the market to hit my take profit and or stop loss? Hedge fund trader Ala, what do you think? Somebody is complaining, oh, but I'm not trading from the I'm not trading from the daily chart. The higher time frame controls the price movement and direction of the smaller time frames. Everybody, we've learned all of this. Makes sense? We've learned extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, and then we learned that we're going to see a crown, and then it's going to happen something like this, right? And then we learned that we have support, resistance, and we learned about the no trade zones. So, Ala, what do you think? Everybody, Forex Course 101, one of the biggest reasons some of you, not everybody, but some of you are not making it is because you are looking just at the smaller time frames. Make sense? Low because uptrend line. What else? Everybody, Allah, listen to me. Let's have a conversation, me and you. Allah, do we agree that you've shorted the market at past support? Do we agree on this? 90% of student traders who enter in the advanced course keep doing this, everybody. If you can improve just this small habit, I promise you, your trading is going to improve. If you can improve just this small habit. So, you shorted the market on the 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 15-minute chart, unaware that you are shorting at past support. Do we agree, everybody, that Allah shorted the market past support? Allah says yes. Okay. Now, do we agree that also you are shorting an extension? Do we agree that you are shorting an extension, Allah? So, coaching session for you today, just me and you. Do we agree, Allah, that you are shorting an extension? Remember, what we're trying to learn is called 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. Don't trade what you think is going to happen. Trade from what you see. Okay? This is, everybody, this is FXFreedom. FXFreedom's formula of success. FXFreedom formula of success. 1 + 1 + 1 equals 3. Don't trade from what you think. Trade from what you see. Copyright 2022 FXFreedom. Take a screenshot, everybody. FXFreedom's formula of success. 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. Don't trade from what you think, trade from what you see. 1 + 1 + 1 is 3. Number 1, I shorted the market at past support. This is 1. Plus, I'm shorting an extension. This is 2. Allah, what is going to happen 7 times out of 10 when an extension hits past support? What is going to happen 7 times out of 10? Isn't this great information, everybody? And we are giving it for you. We are giving it to you for free in the Forex Course 101. You are going to learn more advanced techniques in the advanced course, everybody. Hedge fund trader Allah, what is going to happen 7 times out of 10 when you enter in an end of extension? I mean, we don't know if it's ending yet, but you are entering at the last stage of an extension and the market is hitting past support. What is going to happen 7 times out of 10, everybody? After an extension, what must come? You can bet money it is going to happen. Happens all the time. It's a fact, like it's a fact that day follows night and night follows days. Everybody, it's a fact. What is going to happen next? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Come on, Allah, don't be shy. What is going to happen 7 times out of 10? This is the live market. If we talk about theory, right? If we talk about theory, you know, you have extension, retracement, extension, you know, and here you have past support, you know, and this is the short-term trend on the downtrend on the extension, uptrend on the retracement, downtrend on the extension. What is going to happen 7 times out of 10? Allah or anybody else? Because we are entering in here, and this is why this trade is low probability. Is my trade high probability or low probability? Meaning, what is the probability of the market to hit my take profit and or stop loss? No, everybody, Allah is not wrong on the direction. Makes sense? Direction is one. How we enter the market, it's something different. Okay, I am shorting USDJPY too. But what's the difference between me and Allah? My stop loss, it's up in here. Make sense? Why is that? We are trading patterns. Allah chose to trade the short-term downtrend on the 1-hour chart, which is super cool, super fine. Make sense? I'm shorting the market away from the daily. Something different. Make sense, everybody? You can have 5 different traders shorting the same currency pair on different time frames though, and those different traders are going to have the stop losses in a different place. Make sense, everybody? So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. I'm shorting the market on the 1-hour chart where the market is at past support. I'm shorting from the higher time frames. I can clearly see that it's in an extension. 7 times out of 10 this market is going to retrace. Okay, so good news, bad news. Allah's trade positioned in the right direction has, I don't know what is going to happen, but 7 times out of 10 the market is going to stop out Allah's trade on the 1-hour chart, is going to go back up to this level of past resistance or this level of past resistance, and then is going to crown and is going to go back down and continue the down direction. So Allah is going to have a loser trading in the correct direction, and some other trader is going to still be in a trade because he or she has a different stop loss level from a different time frame, from a different pattern. Everybody type in the chat feedback. Can you understand this? Is this understandable? Direction is just part. So I might be a great analyst. You know, the market is going my way 7 times out of 10. You know, I'm trading 23 currency pairs and my winning rate, talking about direction, is 70%. I can still not make any money. Does this make sense to you? Okay. everybody, on Friday, what is going to happen on Friday? So this Friday, what is going to happen, everybody? This is the picture, okay? On Friday is going to be the same time of the class, 3 p.m. GMT. Connect on Skype, okay? We're going to talk about Advanced Institutional Trader Program, and we are going to answer a few questions. Question number 1, how long does it take to finish the course? Those are just a few questions, right? Number 2, what is in the program? Okay? We are going to talk about, some of you are curious, do you really get a job or a contract at the end of the program? And the answer is yes. We are going to just be more specific. Number 4, what if I don't want a job or just work for myself? And the most important one that it's interesting to most of us, right? How much money can I make as a trader? Okay, everybody, if you're interested in the Advanced Institutional Trader Program, 3 p.m. GMT this Friday. Okay, on Skype, connect on Skype, education, FX passion. Okay, everybody? Ara says, yes, I understand. Okay, everybody, so try to, if you can improve just this habit. What is the habit? Check the higher time frames before you enter the market. Okay? I have some traders who are still entering the market in here, but they are entering with the lower risk. Somebody is asking, what is the solution, boss? You have 2 solutions, everybody, to this kind of trading. Solution number 1, and it's a no-brainer, improve your stop loss level. You don't want to have short stops, golden nugget. You don't want to have short stops and the end of extensions. Make sense? And number 2, if you are going to have a short stop because you don't have enough money in the account, risk less. Okay, it's all good news. So let's write this down, and then I'm sorry, I need to go, I have a meeting. Okay, so what are the solutions? 2 possible solutions. Number 1, improve your stop loss level. Number 1, improve your stop loss level, and number 2, you know, when you are entering at the end of retracements, risk less. Make sense, everybody? If you cannot improve the stop loss because you don't have enough money in the account, you would say, oh, but I don't have enough money, this is going to cost me 40% of my account. Then enter with less risk. Risk 0.5%. Okay, everybody, I'm sorry, I need to go. See you back tomorrow with another Forex trading week. Until tomorrow, stay strong and trade for freedom. Don't trade for money, trade for freedom. This is FX Freedom. Sign